Welcome back to another video. We will talk about 10 benefits of using castor oil. Castor oil, derived from the seeds of the castor bean plant, Ricinus communis, is a versatile and widely used natural remedy with a rich history dating back thousands of years. Renowned for its numerous health and beauty benefits, castor oil is prized for its potent moisturizing properties, ability to promote hair growth, and effectiveness in soothing skin irritations. Packed with essential fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals, castor oil is a popular choice for skin care, hair care, and medicinal purposes worldwide. Before we discuss all these benefits, please like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel. Number 1. Moisturizes skin. Castor oil contains a high concentration of fatty acids, particularly ricinoleic acid, which deeply penetrates the skin, providing hydration and preventing water loss. Its emollient properties make it effective for softening and smoothing dry, rough skin. When applied before bed, castor oil can work overnight to replenish moisture levels in the skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple in the morning. Number 2. Promotes hair growth. Castor oil has been used for centuries as a hair growth stimulant due to its ability to improve blood circulation to the scalp. This increased blood flow delivers essential nutrients to the hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. Massaging castor oil into the scalp before bed helps nourish the hair roots and strengthen the hair shaft, reducing breakage and supporting longer, thicker hair over time. Number 3. Prevents hair loss. Hair loss can occur due to various factors such as genetics, hormonal imbalances, and environmental stressors. Castor oil contains nutrients like vitamin E, omega-6 fatty acids, and proteins that fortify the hair follicles and help prevent hair loss. By applying castor oil to the scalp before bed, you can strengthen the hair, making it less prone to breakage and shedding. Number 4. Reduces acne. Acne is often caused by the overproduction of sebum, which can clog pores and lead to bacterial growth. Castor oil has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help combat acne. When applied to the skin before bed, castor oil can help reduce inflammation, unclog pores, and kill acne-causing bacteria, resulting in clearer skin over time. Fade scars and stretch marks. Castor oil contains compounds that promote tissue regeneration and repair, making it effective in fading scars and stretch marks. When applied regularly before bed, castor oil penetrates deep into the skin, stimulating collagen production and improving the appearance of scars and stretch marks over time. Number 6. Soothes sunburn. Sunburn can cause redness, inflammation, and discomfort in the skin. Castor oil has anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe sunburned skin and reduce redness and irritation. Applying castor oil to sunburned areas before bed can provide relief and promote healing overnight. Number 7. Relieves joint pain. Joint pain and inflammation can be alleviated by the application of castor oil due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Massaging castor oil onto achy joints before bed helps reduce inflammation, improve blood circulation, and provide temporary pain relief, especially for conditions like arthritis. Number 8. Weak, brittle nails can benefit from the nourishing properties of castor oil. Its high concentration of fatty acids helps moisturize and strengthen the nails, preventing breakage and promoting healthy nail growth. Applying castor oil to the nails and cuticles before bed can improve their overall health and appearance. Number 9. Fights fungal infections. Fungal infections like athlete's foot and ringworm can be treated with castor oil due to its antifungal properties. Applying castor oil to affected areas before bed creates an unfavorable environment for fungal growth, helping to eliminate the infection over time. Number 10. When consumed orally, castor oil acts as a potent laxative by stimulating contractions in the intestines and promoting bowel movements. This can help relieve constipation and improve digestive health. However, it's essential to use castor oil orally with caution and under the guidance of a healthcare professional, as excessive use can lead to dehydration and electrolyte imbalances. I hope this provides a more comprehensive understanding of the benefits of castor oil. If you have any further questions or need additional information, please feel free to ask. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share.